Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this fun ombre and nail stamp design. So I'm going to use White by Sinful Colors called Snowy White. This is my go-to white polish. And Holo by Color Club called Don't Harp on It. So using a clean makeup sponge, I'm going to apply those two colors. Now don't mind the video. I wasn't paying too much mind and forgot to focus it. But you can see the holo when I applied it. You see how pretty that holo looks. So it probably was, a little blessing in disguise. Because you see how the holo looks, and then I just focused it in. Now I like to use my holo polishes a lot in my designs. I just love the look of it. It's something different, than regular, standard colors. So I like to do that. So I wanted to do a white and hollow ombre, but I didn't want to do all of my nail, like do like the middle. I wanted the hollow to be at the very tip of my nail. Now, if you want, you don't necessarily have to use hollow. You can use silver or any other color combos you want. But it took me a while to get the hollow to stick onto my nail. So if you're going to do hollow, be prepared to do the ombre a few times. Then using my Buitee BC-04 nail plate, I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto this like lacy design. I recently bought these Buitee plates because they were on sale. They were very inexpensive on Amazon. But I have to say I love them. They're like so well cut. They're well made. They have some fun designs and they're easy to pick up. So if you're looking for a nail stamp, plate, you can go and look on Amazon for those. And I wanted to add the black on top of that white and hollow because I'm really, I love black and white. It's simple and a lot of people like it. And I love how this design came out. And once I was done, I just removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.